Receive an immediate text or call after listening to this meditation. Begin by closing your eyes and visualize an infinite light above your head. This light is bright and white. Feel this light. It should feel like a warmth surrounding you. Now this bright white light begins flowing through your entire body. Feel it flowing through you. As this light flows through you, your magnetism increases. It increases moment by moment that passes. Breathe in this light. Fill up your lungs with this light and circulate it through your body and your entire energy field. Feel the light making you more magnetic. That person who you want to hear from is now thinking about you. Feel their thoughts. Their thoughts are penetrating your mind. Feel their presence. Their thoughts and presence are getting stronger and stronger. And you can feel them getting closer and closer. They can't stop thinking about you. Moment by moment, they can only think about you. From this moment on, and any time you listen to this meditation, they only think about you and contacting you. They desire to reach out to you. It's almost as if they can't stop themselves from wanting to text or call you. Continue to breathe this light in and expand the light throughout your body and your energy field. Fill your lungs with this infinite light. And as you do this, feel your magnetism expand as the light expands within you. They are thinking about you. They want to reach out to you. They desire to reach out to you. Feel all the hair on your entire body standing up right now. It's like you can feel them. It's like they are in the room with you right now. The universe is conspiring to bring you what you want at this very moment. Know it, feel it, believe it. You feel their presence getting stronger and stronger. Any moment now, they are about to call or text you. They can't resist you. They can't stop thinking about you. The only thing they can think about right now, this very moment, is calling or texting you. Feel the light expanding in your energy field. Feel your magnetism growing. Feel their desire almost out of control. Now let go. Stop thinking about them altogether. They will text or call you in mere minutes. After your call or text, remember to take a moment to give gratitude for the connection that the two of you have created. And be sure and repeat this every day for absolute insane results. Keep doing it, keep believing it, keep receiving it, and I will see you in the next meditation.